In the Visual Studio Code Explorer window, I will create a new HTML file with name tabledemo.html. At line number 1, I define a table tag. Inside the table tag, I create a th tag for table header. Inside the table header, I'll say first name. At line number 3, I create a table header for last name. At line number 4, I create a table header for age. I'll also include one more table header, contact number. I'll define a border for the table as 1. Let me open the file in the File Explorer and open the file in Chrome browser. I can see the table headers are created properly. I go back to the code and I define everything inside the table row. I create one more row and create a table cell by saying td, the value is John. Similarly, I create another table cell and say the value as Abraham. At line number 11, I create another td and give the age as 43 and contact number in the fourth td. I'll increase the width of the table to 100%. So once I refresh the browser, I can see the table occupying the whole space in the browser. I will include one more column by saying th action at line number 7. For the action column, I will define a table cell. At line number 14, I say td, and inside the td, I create a div, and inside the div, I create a button by saying input space type equal to button. The value that appears on the button should be view detail. I am giving that in the value attribute. I refresh the browser, I can see the button appearing. For the button table cell, I will give the alignment as center. So once I refresh the browser, the button moves to the center of the cell. For the first row, I define the style attribute as background color to be aquarine. I can see that is reflecting in the browser. For the first row, I define the style attribute background color as gray. I'll copy the first row and create a similar rows. And for alternative rows, I give the background color as honeydew. Such that the background color gray and honeydew will appear alternatively. For the button in every row, I define the style attribute as background color to be blue at line number 27. I also say color to be white so that the text appearing in the button will be of white color. Let me refresh the browser and check if it is reflecting. Yes, it is reflecting. I'll copy the style for the table cell for the button in every row. Once I refresh the browser, I am able to see the output. Now I will give different values for every column in all the rows. Let me go to the browser and refresh the screen. I can see the values are reflecting.